Be ready, Luke.
Yeah!
Stop ball. Stop ball. Go get the ball.
Go get him, Julian.
Luke, grab your hands. Use your hands, Luke. Use your hands. Hey, Luke. Use your hands, remember? Go Hurricanes!
Oh!
Nice
Yeah.
job, Fredo. Turn it around. Turn it around. Give it a big boot.
Good job, Harrison.
Nobody gets by, Julian. Nobody gets by.
Here comes Kiki. Go up in the middle, Julian.
Luke, remember, use your hands all around there. Stop with your hands. You can tackle it like a football. Okay?
See, man, there's a beautiful cross kick there. Yeah.
Go, kid.
Yeah.
Kick it, kid. Oh.
Woo. Good job, Julian. Oh man.
Big boot, Julian. Nice.
Yeah, good job.
Stay with it.
Oh. Hey, Julian. Come on, Julian, come on. Yeah.
Set him up, coach. Free kick.
Okay, buddy?
Get ready, Julian. Get ready. Keep your eye on the ball.
All right. See how your right is in your hands. That's very good. All right. You're good. All right. Green, you guys ready?
I'm in the wall.
Wall, you ready?
Luke, get ready. Don't let him score. Hands up, Luke. Hands up.
Yeah. Good stop, guys. Woo! Go, Kiki, follow through.
He's got a lot of energy. It's good. You got it.
Use your hands. Yeah, good job, Julian. Good job. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. Get in front of him. Challenge him. Yeah.
Stay with it.
Come on, Julian. Yeah, yeah.
Get in front of him, Aviv.
There we go. Get in the ball. Good job, Julian. Kick it out of there. Go follow through.
Go after it, Julian. Go get it now.
Woo! Good job. Yes.
That's awesome.
Good job, Julian. Stop him. Stop him. Hey, no hands. Use your hands, Luke. Your hands. Good job. Woo. Use your hands, Luke. Good job, Hannah. Woo-hoo! Yeah.